Hey guys, this is Aja from Alarm Grid, and look what we have. We have the new 2 gig Edge. Yes. And today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the master code on your 2 gig Edge. And the reason why you may possibly want to change it is in the event that you're possibly moving and you're leaving the panel behind, or most importantly for security purposes, because we don't want anybody to get into your home with using the default of 1111, which everybody knows. So we're just going to I'm going to walk you through showing you how to change that. So let's get started. All right, first things first, we're going to tap the little settings gear in the bottom right hand corner. Boom. All right, so we're going to enter in the default master code, which is 1111. All right, so it's going to take you to the settings menu, and you're going to go ahead and select users. All right, so from this screen, master user, as you can see, it's 1111. So you're just going to go ahead and tap the little pencil in the top right hand corner and go down to where it says access code. Select that option, and we're going to think of a new code. I'm going to keep it simple. Let's do 3333. And this is basically how you would manually change the master code. So we've changed it 3333. Let's hit next. Now we need to confirm the user's access code or the new code that we've changed it to. So let's do 3333. Save it. All right, so now we have the new master code there. Let's go back to the home screen. So you're going to press the little home button in the bottom right hand corner. Now, we're going to go ahead and proceed with getting back into the installer programming, because I want to show you how to factory default the codes. Now keep in mind, once we do this step, this actually removes all user codes from the system. So we're going to go ahead and get started by pressing the little settings gear in the bottom right hand corner again, and then we're going to enter in the default installer code 1561. All right, and I need for you to scroll up, and let's go ahead and select installer toolbox. You're going to see the regulatory statement. Just agree to it. So let's scroll, tap agree. All right, now if you notice here in the bottom, well, on the second level, you'll see restore defaults. Tap that. And where it says users, you're going to toggle that over to the right, or just simply tap it. And once we do this, we're going to tap restore. Once we do this, there's no going back. So don't even try it. Let's go ahead, restore it. It's going to go through the motion. We're waiting. We're waiting. All right. It's been taken care of. It's done. And now it's back to the default. So I'm going to take you back out to the home screen.
Ready to arm.
It's ready to arm. All right. So, guys, let's see if the 3333 code still works. Settings, 3333. No, you are not getting in. So let's try the default. 1111. And we're in. All right. So, guys, this video was to show you how to reset the master code on your new 2 gig Edge. If you have any questions about your panel, or even questions about monitoring, send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com. Also, if you like this video, then just like and subscribe to our channel. And I'm Aja, and I know that's right, Alarm Grid.